So hi, my name is Adam Flores. I'm currently a propulsion operations engineer here at Virgin Galactic. I'm a former New Mexico State Aggie and a former Atomic Aggie who competed in the Spaceport America Cup. And here I'm standing right in front of the Gateway to Space, the operational site for Virgin Galactic. As an Atomic Aggie, I got to compete in the Spaceport America Cup, and that allowed me to open doorways into the aerospace industry and get my position here at Virgin Galactic. The unique part of Spaceport America Cup is that we have so many countries that bring their innovations here to New Mexico. So my favorite part about competing in the Spaceport America Cup necessarily wasn't the rocketry, it was the connections that I made. I have lifelong friends from that competition that I talk to every day. We are all in the aerospace industry now. Some working at SpaceX, some working at Virgin Galactic, some Blue Origin, but we all still have that connection. From schools across the world, we have that relationship now. And that's something that you just can't get sitting in a classroom. So you have to come out and get out of your comfort zone. The aerospace industry needs talented engineers, and the Spaceport America Cup is what cultivates talented engineers. Being in the Spaceport America Cup separates you from everyone else because you are now putting yourself in a position that companies are looking for on your hands-on experience, and it sets you apart from everyone who doesn't compete into it. Having that ability to gain that experience will get you in the front of the line when companies are looking for top-notch engineers.
I'm Katie Wesley. I work for Virgin Galactic. I'm the Associate Manager for our Galactic Unite program, which is the STEM outreach initiative portion of our company. The Spaceport America Cup is a big recruiting event for not only Virgin Galactic, but for the aerospace industry as a whole. It is an intercollegiate rocket competition that gives us access to students and competitors from around the world. All of them are interested in rockets and space and aerospace, which is exactly what we're interested in hiring. We think it's really important to recruit locally because we don't want that talent to go somewhere else. We want that talent to be embedded in this community. You know, New Mexico State University, for example, is one partner that we have, and we have hired directly from that university because not only is the engineering department stellar, but the students are also passionate about giving back to their community and staying locally. So it's not only good for us, but it's good for the students, and the state itself is just producing incredible students that we want to hire.
I was born and raised in Las Cruces, and my passion for aerospace started when I was very young. I always loved planes, I always loved rockets, and being born here in the place where space is just thriving was the best thing that I could have ever imagined.
My name is Tori Hoffman. I am the payload team lead for New Mexico State University. And I'm actually an intern this summer at Virgin Galactic. So just being able to have this relationship with a company that's so innovative is really awesome. I've always dreamed of working at Virgin Galactic because as a little kid, I've always had a dream of going to space. And Virgin Galactic is right here in our backyard. So when I had the opportunity, I jumped on it.
The quality of students that we're getting from New Mexico are as good, if not better, than who we're seeing from outside of the state. And it's really the dawn of a new space age with this commercial industry. And starting here in New Mexico makes a lot of sense.
Being able to go from my hometown as a kid, dreaming about rockets, space travel, and being in the stars, to actually working here as a full-time job and getting to do what I love to do is the best thing I could have imagined. My roots are here. This is where my family's at. This is where my culture and everything that I grew up with is here. Can't imagine a better place to be. The one thing I'm most excited about to see in New Mexico as the aerospace industry grows is the people that it brings. The inspiration that it gives to students, seeing children who have always dreamed of looking at the stars and seeing what can be out there and just that adventure side of humanity, seeing that inspiration grow in this state, where people may not have always seen it or may not have understood it or even known that it existed here. It gives that opportunity to grow and actually become known to the world that New Mexico is the new place for space.